This video is sponsored by Metacast Group. Metacast Group connects companies with creators in the NFT industry through a network of industry-specific platforms that have passionate audiences of NFT and metaverse enthusiasts. Hear or see your ads on platforms just like this to amplify your reach, connect with your target audience, promote your project, and convert views into action. Take the first step towards broadcasting your message across the metaverse by contacting www.metacastgroup.com. Thanks for the sponsorship. Hello and welcome to Blockchain Gaming World with me, John Jordan. So I did a video the other week about the new Aavegotchi drop that's happening, and I thought maybe I should go and actually do it in the in the product itself rather than just talking about it. So here we have Aavegotchi. So it's a project that's been around for a while now. Start of 2021 really. It launched. It runs on the Polygon blockchain. So you need to change your MetaMask to Polygon. Polygon being sort of a scaling solution for Ethereum. So it's sort of in the Ethereum ecosystem, but running on Polygon, which obviously is faster and doesn't have the gas fees. So it's a sort of very simple game. It's sort of like a DeFi sort of game. We have these little characters, Aavegotchis, and you do sort of Tamagotchi type things with them. But a lot of it is based around sort of DeFi, more DeFi sort of elements. So you can see here, sort of bridging between blockchains. There's a DAO. You can stake tokens. So the underlying token for Aavegotchi is called Ghost. Aave, which is a DeFi protocol, means ghost in Finnish. So quite a lot of the kind of artwork and the kind of meme style is about ghosts. And these are little ghosts, as you can see. So we can go and have a look. We can look at the sort of staking here. So you stake ghosts and you earn these friend points. And then you use the friends to buy tickets for raffle events where you can kind of buy things. So you can just stake the ghost token natively, or natively, or you can go and do liquidity pool provision using on QuickSwap. QuickSwap's an AMM, so a bit like it's effectively Uniswap for Polygon blockchain. So if you take your liquidity pool tokens, Ghost and Quick, Ghost and USDC, Ghost and WETH wrapped Ethereum, you can earn more. So I actually see if I can work this out. So I've actually the one thing I did do on Aavegotchi, I got quite interested in Aavegotchi at the start of the year, and then sort of got a bit confused by it all, and they haven't had a drop for a while, so I haven't been doing anything. So I actually staked. I've got 217 ghost tokens that I've staked. Been staked for about 6 months now, so I've got 571,000. Is that right? No, 57,000. I can't do the maths here. 57,000 friends that I can sort of claim if I want to. And I'm getting, what am I getting? 275 friends a day. Yes, I'm getting basically one friend for each ghost token staked. Obviously, you earn a lot more if you stake the liquidity pool, because that's a kind of more complex thing. So we can go in and I haven't got any of these things, but we go into, let's see if I can do it now, go into the bazaar, is that right? So the bazaar is where we see things that are being traded. It's the marketplace. So we can see here, these are all Aavegotchis. Aavegotchis, it's a sort of DeFi thing, because behind, sort of underlying all of these Aavegotchi tokens is sort of a DeFi Aave token. So there is sort of an underlying element there is some underlying value there, and these things actually sort of create passive income because they are staked Aave tokens, and Aave tokens generate interest because it's a DeFi protocol. We have all these other game things. They have all these sort of stats around it as well. And you can buy wearables. Let's have a look at what wearables we've got. So you can buy wearables and you can add them to your Aavegotchi. All that sort of stuff. So raffle tickets. So you can sell your raffle tickets. I didn't actually look at claiming them, did I? But you can kind of sell raffle tickets for Ghost, all that sort of stuff. But what are we actually interested in? We are interested in the auction. So I need to go to the auction. So this is what's happening next week, 26th of August. They're having this new drop. So they're calling it Haunt, because it's ghosts, obviously. So and they're doing this new auction system, and instead of doing an auction system where the price goes up, as obviously it starts off at 0 and someone bids 1 and then someone bids 2 and then someone bids 10, and the person who bids the most over a time frame wins. This is using this this new way of bidding, which is actually powered by this technology, GBM. And basically, if you bid and then you're outbid, you actually get your bid refunded, and you get an additional payout up to 10% of the original bid. So this is sort of an interesting model where basically it encourages people to bid because you're actually getting paid to bid. So yeah, we'll see how that works. I've not heard of this being used by other games, but as I said, this is like a third party kind of technology that has been used by other people. So it's an interesting way of doing it. The bidding is obviously timed, although there is like an extension model. So if you are interested in this, as sort of ever, is it going to load this? You have to bid in ghost tokens. I wonder if because it's not live yet, so maybe that's why. Yes, I guess it's not showing that yet. Yeah. I don't know why. Oh, that is instructions. So these things are going to drop. There are 12,000 of them. So 15,000 in total is the NFT drop. 3,000 are going to be sort of randomly given away to people. So you have to sort of check how you can earn those. 12,000 will be made available through this auction system over a 3-day period. So it will sort of be interesting to see how that sort of plays out. If you want to just go and actually, I don't have any portals, do I? Let's go back to Bazaar. So there's and then another complication is you actually get these things called portals, and the portals are how you create the Aavegotchi. So you can just go in and buy, if you want to go and buy an Aavegotchi, we can see here what's the cheapest Aavegotchi. They're fairly expensive actually. So the cheapest one is 900. 900 ghost tokens, but we could also go in and buy a portal, which is much more expensive, and the portal is a way of sort of kind of creating these. So you have unopened portals. There's a sort of randomness built into that, and then you also have open portals, which the Aavegotchi has not actually been created from. So there's sort of a process there. So there we go. I don't have anything here. I don't think. No, I don't. I have tickets. I thought I had some tickets. Maybe I don't. Am I selling them? No. Anyway, so that's Aavegotchi, and it's auction system, which is sort of I think quite innovative and interesting. As I say, as a sort of product, it's like one of these ones where it does have sort of big sort of fans. It has sort of a niche sort of user base. It is sort of quite quirky, I suppose. Admittedly, I do find it a little bit complicated to sort of work out what's going on there. And I think there's, at the moment you just sort of own these NFTs. There are sort of, the gaming side of it has not sort of been built out yet. So I think that's sort of the key thing that they have to do over time is people own these things, but you actually want to maybe do something a little bit more with them than just own them. Maybe you don't. Maybe people just want to own these things. Just as sort of nice little sort of collectible NFTs, and put funny items on them. There we go. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is Blockchain Gaming World, where we are seeing what's going on with blockchain gaming, and there is plenty. So please subscribe to the channel. But thanks for watching, and see you again soon.